And the other one down on the other end is also moved off to the side too. Evidently someone just moved these signs around, even down the street with the other ones, over by decks and docks. They moved it. Well, couple said it's just their way of saying you can go through this way. In other words, there's nobody working here, so they just moved out of the way to make it easy for everybody to go through the traffic. And so, oh, okay. And he said that thing with the shield broken out there, probably a glass or a rock. I was thinking a hailstone or something. He said, yeah, something like that. It still can work. It still can drive and work. I said, yeah, I know. It still does good. I let Lauren Asher know that she sings good. She says, thank you. And as I brought my video camera to record our church sign before it goes digital, so it was perfect time, and I was able to record her singing. She goes, oh, okay. It's good that when Pastor Asher said, if this message moved your heart to do more for him, raise your hand. And he said all over the place, all hands are up. If you didn't raise your hand the second time, and the Lord is telling you to do more for Christ, raise your hand. Oh, there's some more. Amen. And then he asked if someone wasn't saved yet. If the Lord's pricking your heart to get saved. I'm glad that God is working through Pastor Asher and Pastor Coles and youth director Mark Taylor and everyone.